l'enregistrement. Yeah, so we're ready. I think it's Ima 2-1. Insults.
I think you can actually improve the Cinderace because it's mild, but its special attack isn't a die, so I think it's better if you do like plus attack and then EV into special attack. 1 second.
Okay. So Insult is Ima 2-1 in World Cup, so just connecting Team Belgium and someone loads the team and here we go, I think. Yeah, just improve the Cinderace spread.
Yeah, so I think it's real lonely. Wait, can you get 209 with this? Yeah. And then 220.
And what are you improving? Rifts for the spread?
Yeah, because it's currently using like a plus special attack nature, right? And its special attack is kind of low, so you can get like the same stats, but like 1 stat higher if you pick like a plus speed or plus attack nature. I think it's better to go plus speed actually. 1 second. So if you go hasty for the same speed, 329.
No.
We can go. Okay, yeah. Lonely is best, I think.
You have 1 minute, so it's okay.
Yes or no, Coco?
Shit.
Yeah, I got it. This is better. So you have 10 more attack with the same stats. And the other thing is if you make it with this.
I'm just looking at Pokemon Showdown and I see that Zara translated the rules in Polish. What the fuck?
La spread de Cinderace, parce que il expliquait, c'est pour one shot Slowbro après Pyro.
Yeah, but
Pyro Ball.
if you change the current spread to the one I just posted, it's the same but with 10 more attack.
C'est la même chose Vextel en vérité, c'est juste qu'il y a
more efficient to use a plus attack nature name plus special attack because its base special attack is really low. So use a plus attack nature but more special attacks EVs.
Personally, I let you choose what we have to the spread we have to put on Cinderace because I'm not used to.
I'll adjust it real quick.
Okay, I will just see if it's the same spread, so we don't get fucked.
It should be the same, but with 10 more attack, I believe.
Yeah. One more time, and EVs.
Du coup, j'ai pas compris pourquoi Lonely est pas mild.
Because its base special attack is really low. So if you do a plus special attack nature, it won't improve that much. But since its base attack is much higher, if you do a plus attack nature, it's much better. So you can just put the nature plus attack, but then DVs into plus special attack, it's much better. Because nature improves it percentage-wise, but EVs are always a hard number. 4 EVs are always 1. But nature is plus 10%, so it's better to put that in attack and then the EVs into special attack.
We're doing EVs right now. J'avais vu.
Tu sais me traduire, Alum?
Attends.
Mais il est pas là. Okay, can you repeat because I didn't.
Yeah, but I'll take a screenshot and it'll make sense. Wait.
220.
So the spread we currently have is
c'est la même chose.
I wasn't really listening, and
I'll show it real quick.
Vextal's problem with his English.
Look, so the current spread is this one. I'll post a screenshot from Showdown.
Okay.
J'ai compris que j'avais un problème en anglais.
The one you write,
j'ai compris.
Or the next one that we will put on the chat.
Guys, we will have.
So the one we currently have is this one, right?
Yeah, so we will. So
Okay.
Du coup, on aura la même spéciale attaque.
That's the one we currently have, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if we make it lonely and then adjust the special attack and speed to be the same but maximize the attack, then we have this.
We have
1 second.
We have plus 10 on attack, yeah. We have 326.
Okay, là ils disent, et ça c'est ce qu'on avait avant là, le premier qu'il
Now with my spread we have this.
Ouais, ça c'est le premier.
And so the stats are the exact same except the attack is 10 higher because you use right nature.
Ouais,
okay.
L'attaque est plus grande.
Ah oui, j'ai compris. Ok, c'est bon. Ah non, attends, parce que non, attends. Non, il y a un problème.
Dis-moi.
Moi, j'avais mis Ah non, j'ai dit de la merde. Non, c'est bon.
C'est bon.
C'est bon, ok, it's ok pour Vextel.
Yeah.
Ok,
Yeah,
je vais changer ça. Je vais changer ça.
Yeah, just change.
J'ai bien vu en fait, franchement.
Ah, il y a Blarfargel aussi qui est là. Ok. Il y a Very Simple. En fait, ils vont jouer.
It's the same, but with a better spread on Cinderace.
Les gars, Blarfargel, il va jouer. Blarfargel will play, guys.
Oui, il a posté le machin.
This is nice. Ok. Ah. Yeah.
Ok, bah du coup, j'ai amélioré mon Cinderace. Il était déjà broken, il est encore plus broken.
Even more broken, yeah.
Yes.
Ok, guys, Charles. Go Charles with the team. I don't want to Charles.
And 1 sec, now I'm importing it into the calc.
Okay, you're doing the calcs. I don't know what I want to do. It's because I know I will just fuck everything. Team. Mamma mia.
Comment est-ce que je mets Vex
Mamma.
Psychique. Putain.
One sec.
Right.
I want to play so bad. Shit, man. Ari. Look at this, bro.
Let's go. On commence quand?
Yeah, we wait to Ruft. So he Chol and...
I'm ready. Do I Chal?
Yeah,
We are all ready, but I don't know if
just go
we
into
don't have news from opponents.
Just go Team Belgium. Why I'm only doing...
Yeah, I'm on Team Belgium right now.
Yeah.
What?
Smoke Tours, we play on Smoke Tours.
Okay, we're playing Smoke Tours, that's fine.
Oh yeah,
With the blow, ça one-shot Rillaboom, logiquement, s'il est full vie.
Is there... Attends.
Qui ça?
Is there a mod?
Bah, Urshifu qui fait...
Ouais, c'est le Tuesben one-shot. Le
Tuesben
one-shot.
Oh, timer off.
En vrai, Urshifu, il mérite un suspect. Hein. Il mérite totalement un suspect.
Moi, je vais me faire péter la gueule pour ce machin.
Mais il faut d'abord ban Cinderace.
Guys, I think I will have to PM Chris so he comes to Smoke Tours.
Surtout qu'en plus, c'est Ignore tes Iron Défense. Si tu veux jouer ton Mani Zone.
Ouais.
Smoke Tours.
Yeah, but there is no mod, so I will try to PM
there's no
Aurora.
mod, so...
I will PM Aurora. Hey Aurora, can you come to
just PM Aurora or something.
Smoke Tours?
Est-ce que
timer
tu vas dire là?
For Ghosting Tour final place.
Putain, le mec me laisse tomber. Ah, Olisha, c'est trop fort.
Thanks in advance. Wait, but I don't know if Aurora is off in Smoke Tours. Yeah, he's driver. So
I think so,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah, he's driver. Driver is okay.
Yeah, that's good enough, I think.
Otherwise, we will...
Also PM like Luigi or, I don't know.
No. Only Motka. Aurora said that...
Putain.
On joue sur le main ou sur Smogon en fait?
Smoke Tour, I'm waiting.
Ah, je sais pas.
Yeah, we play on Smoke Tours, right? Yeah.
Smoke Tour?
Wait, I will just see if we can timer off.
Bah, moi je suis dessus.
Help.
Oh, driver has enough berms for timer.
Yeah, because she said that she can't really. The driver doesn't have perms to timer there, so I have to PM Chris. Shit, man. This...
I don't think Chris is off on Smoke Tours though.
Yeah, if
Aurora can ask.
You can. That would be awesome.
Okay.
So who are we playing? It's like Ima, Red Kanto, Porgo Fargo, Insult,
Yeah,
CZ,
bro, everyone will
Superheat.
come.
I think
Everyone.
all those guys, yeah.
Yeah, or planets.
It's like 10 people or something.
So if you're on there right now, I will ask to get someone there for you. Yeah, okay. So Aurela is asking someone normally, so someone can come to Smoke Tour. Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. 10 minutes already. Ah, shit, man. Oh. We will wait 10 minutes. If no one from Cheese stuff shows, we go on main.
Ah, en vrai, j'ai un match-up qui est chiant avec ma team, là, c'est Rotom Heat, du coup.
Je jouerai avec Toxic en vrai pour mieux passer Volca.
De quoi tu parles?
Bah de ton Rotom.
Ouais, mais du coup, j'ai pas mis Rotom. Regarde la...
Attends, j'ai plus ta team sous les yeux.
elle est juste au-dessus du dernier message de Rift.
Hop, 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 hop.
Ah.
Alors, ah oui, ok. Ah oui, ok, d'accord, ok, c'est la team qui m'a affronté.
Franchement,
Attends,
c'est juste...
je check.
C'est juste le zone que je sais pas encore quoi faire.
Pour Urshifu ou Dark Tatlev, pour Volcarona Tabra.
Ouais, mais c'est
Okay, I've actually found an even better Cinderace spread. It has one more speed. If you make it hasty with another spread. If that matters, maybe.
T'as Slowbro.
Ok, il y a KJ Das.
Ouais, mais c'est juste Rotom Heat, tu vois.
Ouais. Mais, mais après Rotom Heat.
Chal, Roof, tu can chal.
Voilà, mais
KJ is here.
Oh.
J'avoue que Rotom Heat est chiant dans ta team.
Okay, I'll change the cause I'm pretty. This is the same with one more speed, right?
Ouais.
Yeah, it is. Okay, I'll change it to that real quick. So if one more speed.
Oh my god.
I
can't.
Okay, so it has to be hasty.
Oh my god.
Why
are we changing spreads?
This is the perfect one, though. It can be better than this.
There can always be better results. There always can.
Okay, I fixed the spread.
Maybe we will win on that.
Yeah, but it'll be 329 and we'll be 330 and then we'll win.
Okay, go.
Yes.
Okay, do I accept?
C'est pour Cinderace? Ah non, c'est pour... non, je sais pas pour qui.
Ok.
Wow, les dégâts.
Go,
ah ok, vous avez réussi de l'améliorer encore.
Go.
Okay.
C'est lui, il est trop fort.
Go.
Do I click accept or...
Yeah, if you're okay, accept.
Yeah, if you're ready. Okay, let's go. Yeah, it's this team. Yeah,
I will have grey hair because
okay.
On gagne un point en speed, ouais. On gagne un point en speed sur ça.
Okay, I'm clicking accept. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay.
Cinderace encore un peu.
The Crocodile, which is interesting.
Crocodile.
Ah oui,
Let's
ça commence.
see. So Shifu's... Okay, it could be Water Shifu as well. Probably Darker Shifu, right?
Alors.
Probably banned. And then... Yeah, Slowbro's probably future side with your Shifu.
Attendez une minute, je crois que je connais la team. Je pense que c'est pas une team de Wake Up.
Ah, mais en fait...
World Cup team?
Probably.
Attendez, je vais aller voir. Je pense que je l'ai vu.
Oh, the timer's still on.
Ouais, je connais la team. C'est Urshifu Water.
Oh, it's Urshifu Water?
He knows the team.
Wait,
okay,
let me check.
C'est un Slowbro.
Guys, just one thing. We are on Team Belgium, that's it.
Attendez, je vous envoie le match.
C'est quoi le mot de passe, gros?
Wallen Boyd, j'écris. Mais j'avais déjà envoyé, c'est toi qui avais dit que...
She has to turn the timer off, though.
Yeah.
What's the password, guys?
Attendez, je vous trouve la team.
Okay, post it in the Discord.
Guys, why?
Ça devrait pas tarder.
Post replay in the Discord, that's fine.
Je pense que c'était la team Dempo. de mémoire.
Ah, mais putain, mais
Ouais,
je t'avais mute.
Okay, she's here. Yeah, nice.
Mec, je t'entendais pas, je t'avais mute, j'ai oublié, putain. Tu sais
Okay, let's see.
Le nom de la team, c'est quoi?
Skip the end. Okay, Sunrace U-turn. Yeah, it's Future Sight Slowbro. Is it Trick Scarf? Let's see. It's
C'est un
Trick
scarf,
Scarf
ouais,
for
c'est un
Fable.
scarf. C'est un scarf pour gérer les
And it's Water
Magerna.
Shifu. It's Bravebird Corviknight.
Yeah,
probably.
I'm not on the
And
match.
it's Scarf Crocodile too.
Oh, so that's the team. Okay, let's
Mais
see.
les gars, ça veut juste me dire le putain de mot de passe et le putain de nom de truc sur
Ah, je sais
Sauvegarde.
pas, moi je suis connecté sur un autre pseudo, donc je sais pas trop.
Ah, t'es
Yeah.
pas connecté.
Moi je regarde
It's
via
Pivot
notre compte.
Sunrace.
For
Pivot Sunrace, Future Sight Slowbro, Scarf Trick Fable, Water Shifu.
yeah, we have the team.
And it's
Okay.
Bravebird Corviknight and Scarf Crocodile.
Yeah, leftovers.
Probably, unless they changed it, but.
Je connais très bien la team vu que c'est la team en fait que j'ai voulu build justement que je vous ai montré juste avant.
Ah, you wanted to
Et
build this? Okay.
j'avais juste changé un Pokémon.
Empo's team. What?
C'est la même team sauf que j'ai changé un Pokémon parce qu'en fait ce Pokémon il est plus pour gérer Magerna après une Shift Gear. Donc moi je l'ai retiré, j'ai mis Zeraora à la place.
Yeah, it could be different, yeah, but yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, so what will they lead, you think? Probably like Sunrace.
Dans tous les cas les gars,
C'est quoi le nom de notre Je ne trouve pas la game.
Team Belgium, mais sur Smogon Tour. Hein.
Ah putain,
Attends,
mais
attends,
voilà.
attends.
Je
t'envoie.
Mais je suis comme un gogol depuis tantôt, putain.
Yeah.
Du coup,
What's the
coup,
ability of
notre-
the Crocodile?
les gars, notre Cinderace, il va faire du sale avec Electro Ball, il va faire du sale. Et il va pouvoir et s'il fait pas si on nique le Slowbro, eh ben il y a pas de Future Sight et du coup le Urshifu fait absolument rien du tout à Toxapex. En gros, GG si on joue bien.
Ok.
Yeah, we just need to play it right, but they have a lot of good players though, so it'll still be
It's so
hard.
Crocodile is Scarf,
pense-
knock off Stonish. Yeah.
It's Crocodile? Yeah, it's Crocodile Scarf, but I don't know the ability though. It's not Intimidate, I think, because otherwise we would
Yeah,
replay-
it's Moxie.
I
It's
think it's
Moxie.
Moxie or Angle
Yeah.
Je pense qu'on peut lead sur 0 ref et s'il lead de Crocodile, on switch Ferro et s'il lead d'un autre, on fait knock-off.
Yeah, if he goes Crocodile, we can go to Pharaoh.
I think it'll just lead.
But if he goes
Probably
Cinder-
expect Zeraora or something. Yeah, I guess they could lead Crocodile.
yeah, but
Crocodile or Sunrace is what it'll lead, I think.
that whatever
even-
we have Pharaoh Torn
Power
and
Shift.
Pharaoh Torn. I don't see him pretty like we need Pharaoh Torn on that matchup. We are beaten by everything.
It's a trick left.
Yeah,
it's true.
Trick Scarf Cliff. I guess they might lead it, but I don't think they will against the Sunrace.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. I think.
Let's go.
Okay, so what do we lead now?
Je pense que Zeraora en lead, c'est pas dégueu. Hein.
Yeah, go Zero. I like.
Yeah, I
Zero.
guess if they lead Crocodile, you can just switch to like.
Pharaoh.
Si met Crocodile, on met Ferro.
Yeah, that makes sense actually. Yeah.
Notre Ferro est full dev, donc il va aller absolument mettre 0. De toute façon,
Yeah.
c'est un scarf. Donc si knock-off, on a free PDR derrière, ou free knock-off.
On n'a pas le. Vous avez pas le liste avec les moves par écrit, comme ça on doit pas chaque fois regarder le.
Wait.
On connaît. Vous connaissez
Bah,
la
moi,
team
c'est
par
ma
cœur,
team.
en face.
Ah non, oui, je t'envoie le lien, mais plus ou moins. Plus ou moins, ouais.
Ouais,
Mais j'ai envoyé le lien du match.
ouais, mais je sais, mais
Ouais.
j'ai vu le lien, mais genre Cinderace, là, je vois pas ce qu'il est. Je vois que U-turn comme move.
Ouais, on n'a pas tout le truc. Mais je sais bien qu'il a déjà pas body press le Corviknight, donc normalement Ferro il vient free dessus. Non,
Yeah, it's Bravebird on Corviknight. So yeah.
franchement, si on joue bien
Or
avec
should be.
Electro Ball, si on joue bien avec notre Electro Ball, on a win 100%. Mais il faut bien jouer avec Electro Ball.
Yeah, Sunrace is
Yeah,
really good here with Electro Ball. It
We-
kills
we-
everything really.
With the new
Okay.
speed, we are killing we one shot Slowbro, no?
Oh yeah, we're at 1 wire speed now.
Okay. Maybe
No, I don't think it matters though.
Maybe we could
Uh,
start with Cinderace and try the perfect first move. No?
Oh, bro, let me calc. It could kill, but it's only 18% chance to.
yeah.
Okay.
Let's
But
go,
it's
les
still
gars.
worth it, I think.
Yes.
Il faudrait checker aussi si leur propre Cinderace a Electro Ball, ce qui est possible en fait, vu la team.
Alum,
Well, it's just revealed U-turn, so I think it's probably just like fireball, gunk shot, send out the standard one.
Team
Ouais,
difference.
il y a des avec
Non,
Electro Ball.
Croco et les scarf, on est d'accord, hein? It's Croco Scarf, ok?
Oui,
It's
c'est
Scarf
il est
Crocodile.
scarf.
Yeah, Scarf.
Yeah.
Scarf, ouais,
It's also
Crocodile
Scarf,
Scarf.
Strict Bluff, yeah.
Yeah.
With Scarf.
Crocodile Scarf, Urshifu Water Band,
Yeah.
Corviknight défensif, Bravebird Lefto, Slowbro Future Sight Téléport, Clef Full Def. Avec. Ah, je pense que. Attendez, le Clef, il a quoi? Est-ce qu'il a pas Trick, Clef?
Bah, il a Trick.
Ouais,
Yeah,
Clef,
it's Trick
Clef-
Moonblast, Ultra Soul
Clef Scarf, Clef Scarf. Hein.
Yeah, it's Trick Scarf with the rocks.
Donc, faut faire ultra attention à qui on va prendre
switch.
le Scarf.
Ouais.
Notamment Zero Aura Scarf est pas dégueu, je pense. Zero Aura
Don't
Scarf,
go
c'est pas
Blissey
dégueu.
on Clef, remember that. Don't go Blissey on Clef.
Je pense.
Yeah, or Pharaoh.
Je pense qu'il faut lit Zero Aura, les gars.
Yeah, go Zero. I don't know
Yeah,
why you
Zero
wait.
needs-
Just
Zero
go. Just go.
Probably makes the most sense, yeah. Okay, do I click or who
Yeah,
clicks?
click. You click. You click.
Okay, I click Zero Aura now.
I don't want to
Okay.
click because I'm clicking too fast.
Crocodile, yeah.
Okay.
So do we Pharaoh?
Oui, il faut aller sur Ferro. Hein,
Yeah, go
parce qu'il est
Pharaoh.
Yeah, I
Scarf.
think so.
Yeah, go Zero.
I mean, I guess they'll knock probably, right? I don't think they Q even, but yeah, it's
Oh.
fine if we go Pharaoh.
C'est Ferro ou Mandibus, mais en
No,
fait,
Pharaoh is fine because with the rock we are sure to one
Voilà.
shot with Cinderace next.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to put
Tout à
get
fait.
knocked from Mandy either. It's better to go Pharaoh, I think. So I'll go
C'est-
Pharaoh then, yeah.
Yeah, go Zero. Yeah.
Et go
c'est
Ferro.
beaucoup mieux de mettre Ferro parce que si on se fait knock-off et qu'il pose les rocks, le Cinderace adverse peut vraiment faire des gros
Go
dégâts.
Pharaoh.
Yeah, Pharaoh.
Yeah.
Okay, I've clicked Pharaoh.
Oh là,
Enable a
putain,
double.
si on joue bien, on détruit tellement l'oppo.
Du coup, Vextal, c'est on go Zero, ouais, c'est ça? Ok.
Ouais, on go Ferro.
Yeah,
Ouais,
ok.
il y a qu'un play là.
Yeah, we go Zero, and then we can knock
What if
off
they
our...
double to Urshifu?
Okay.
Would that make sense?
But my question
I
is,
don't know.
he won't go to Urshifu on a Zero, bro.
Yeah, I don't
Look,
know if
because
he,
we
like,
can-
predicts either Mandy or Pharaoh.
Because we can CCF, we
Good.
CC, then... But
Yeah, okay. I watched the CC too. I need to calculate.
and he's Urshifu Water, so if you volt switch on a predict, then he's fucked. So he can really switch Urshifu right now. He doesn't want to reveal that he's Water.
Yeah, he doesn't want to risk it for sure. Because
He doesn't
yeah,
want
he
to reveal.
doesn't. They don't know that we know it's Scarf or
Yeah.
it's
You-
Brawl. I mean, yeah.
Pretty sure he will Stone Age. Pretty sure he will Stone Age.
I think he'll just knock.
Go.
It's the safest way,
My
I
question
think.
is, we go Pharaoh,
Or
and
EQ, I don't know.
my question is, we go Pharaoh,
C'est go Ferro, les gars. C'est go Ferro.
we go,
Yeah, I've clicked Pharaoh.
we go Pharaoh, and we knock off, or we stealth rock. That's my question after on a predict.
Let's wait to see what turn by turn what they played because we are not sure.
I think it's better to knock than rocks, honestly, because
Yeah, I prefer to knock
It's
on
like
a Cinderace or
all
Urshifu.
resists.
Yes, but if he rocks, he will go. If we are Cinderace and maybe try to give us.
Because his Corviknight is default, most probably if I look at the team.
Bon, les gars, vous allez
Corviknights-
sur Ferro quand
Ouais, non, moi j'ai cliqué dessus, mais.
Ah,
Mec, je vais me
ils savent pas
connecter,
quoi
je vais appuyer sur Ferro. Hein.
Non, t'inquiète, j'ai cliqué dessus, mais là,
Parce
c'est.
que le problème, c'est que je sais jamais qui joue et du coup, vous parlez et du coup, je sais pas si on a joué ou pas.
Don't worry. Okay.
We're thinking so long about this turn, Jesus.
Yeah,
my god.
we had one replay of this team. We don't have a second one or things that we can.
Okay,
Bro,
Pharaoh.
but
Um,
yeah,
knock off, yeah.
knock
okay.
off, yeah. It's okay.
That is a lot.
Là, les gars, 100% il va sur Corviknight, je pense. Donc, je pense qu'on peut coff.
Yeah,
Parce que je pense
knock
que
off.
Yeah, I
sur
also
zéro,
think knockoff is the best.
Yeah,
play.
knock off
yes.
is best. Yeah,
je pense que Knockoff est mieux. Je pense que Knockoff est mieux.
yeah, knock off
Because
is
we got
best.
Cinderace knockoffs already.
Yeah,
also,
we
but,
can. C'est ça.
yeah.
Là, il a pas body press, c'est la Brave Bird. Donc, normalement, il touche pas Ferro. Donc, en soi, on peut soit lead cheat, soit te poser les rocks.
So do we
Tu veux faire quoi?
Je pense.
do we knock off again on U-turn maybe?
Ou alors,
I think-
on va sur Zerora.
Zero.
I think he just U-turns right because he's brave already. Shouldn't
Ouais,
brave
Ah non,
already
les gars,
turn.
j'ai une meilleure solution. Attendez. Non, il faut poser les rocks. Il faut poser les rocks
Knock-off.
parce que là,
Non, parce que tu vas mettre Cinderace après. Là, il va.
Là, il va U-turn. Ouais, on peut rock knock-off.
I think knockoff is the best.
Yeah,
'cause he
knockoff.
should U-turn
Ouais,
and
ouais,
then
ouais,
like
c'est-
put Cinderace or something.
Oh shit. But it's okay.
Well, it doesn't really matter. Like
Yeah.
Là, les gars,
we
il
can
va-
go
Leaf seed,
with
leaf
the
seed,
aura
he will
now
roost,
on
he will
the-
roost, he will
je
roost.
pense qu'il va roost.
Yeah, now it goes there or Cinderace.
Tu dis quoi, Vex?
Là, il faut poser les rocks, là, parce que là, il va roost.
Ah.
Et s'il veut defock derrière, tu poses lead shield et à un moment donné, tu spams les rocks et en fait, tu spams body press avec. Du coup, il gagnera pas le duel.
Yeah.
Je sais pas si vous me comprenez. En fait, s'il fait roost, en fait, tu spams body press,
Et
mais il
t'as
est
pas-
niqué en fait.
T'as pas envie de hard
Yeah,
Cinderace
that's
en
true.
le one-shot pas avec Pyroball?
Normalement, oui, mais s'il fait rousse, non. Je pense.
Bah alors, go mettre Cinderace, et comme ça, il met Slowbro, et puis après, on met Electro Ball et on tue.
Ouais, on peut.
Il faut les dégâts, non, sur Slowbro, déjà.
On peut, non mais on peut. C'est ce que je voulais dire avant, mais je pensais qu'elle allait faire U-turn.
Mais go
C'est vrai que
Cinderace, non?
Yeah,
C'est
if
vrai
he
que là,
goes...
s'il fait rousse, en vrai,
Okay,
Cinderace.
no Cinderace?
Yes.
Ouais,
I
allez,
think
go
that's good play.
Cinderace.
Ok,
Cinderace.
go Cinderace.
Yeah, Cinderace. I pick
Mais
Cinderace.
si l'oppo est puissant, il fait U-turn. Mais
I don't think
go
he'll
Cinderace.
Brave Bird here.
But if
Then
he was...
I don't think Brave Bird makes sense from him. So
Yeah,
he should be fine going
and
Cinderace.
U-turn, I don't see him U-turning right now. As 53 because...
Yeah, I think even U-turn makes more
Because-
sense than Brave
There's
Bird, I
nothing-
think.
Guys,
Probably just gonna roost though.
he don't really have check from for Zeraora. The only one is Scarf, but if we see when we will check in use this one to defend himself, maybe if you used what is the set? I grass not. It could be cool. Okay. I
Okay,
think
okay,
it-
okay.
Cinderace
Yes!
on Roost,
Voilà.
yeah, that's not
Les
good.
gars, là, les gars, il va aller sur Slowbro,
So,
on fait Pyro Ball et après on
Pyro
envoie
Ball,
les...
then
Yeah, Pyro Ball, yeah,
Electro
Pyro
Ball,
Ball,
yeah.
Electro Ball. Oh my
Okay,
god.
so Pyro Ball, then Electro
Et
Ball.
si on-
Or we get Electro.
No,
What if we Electro Ball now?
Pyro.
Si on tue Slowbro, je propose qu'on dit GG plutôt que prévu, comme ça.
Aggressive
Okay,
GG.
so Pyro Ball now, right?
Non mais en vrai les gars, sans Slowbro, impossible à win. Je donne la team à Grégo, il gagne. Je donne la team.
Okay, so we Pyro Ball.
Yeah, Pyro Ball.
Okay, but one thing with the new spread, are we sure to kill with Fireball?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Pyro Ball into Electro Ball kills.
Yeah.
No,
For
yeah,
sure.
no, Corviknight.
Sure. Oh,
Les gars, il y a un truc qui me dérange. Le seul truc qui me dérange, c'est que
Corviknight.
s'il est full
With
def, il peut
Cinderace.
spammer Roost. Hein. Et je sais pas combien il
No,
prend.
Electro Ball doesn't. Doing was like 30 because.
Wait, we have the replay. I
I
will see. How much does he is?
No, go Fireball and see what you.
Ouais, je pense que c'est
Yeah,
le
Electro
plus
Ball
gros,
only does like 35 to Corviknight.
le play.
Because Corviknight's pretty fast compared to Slowbro.
Yes. He has to go slow, bro. I don't know what he can do. Nothing.
Yeah, you should go Slowbro. Or like Urshifu. But you shouldn't risk Urshifu.
No.
Surely. So, so Slowbro. Okay, Electro Ball, I guess.
GG,
Yeah.
GG, on prépare le
No,
GG.
don't.
Prepare the GG, guys.
No,
Prepare
no,
GG.
no.
I'm spamming GG already. I'm spamming GG.
Vas-y,
Oh,
No,
if
no,
they
no.
switch, I'm gonna be sad. dude.
vas-y, Electro-Ball-moi ça.
Electro
il va
Ball.
téléport.
It makes no sense, I think.
Il va téléport
Il
au
will-
Scold.
Yeah,
No,
to
he will
replay.
protect.
No.
Protect
Du was
will.
krass.
Slowbro protect, j'en fais plus.
Non, ok.
Sans les leftos. Hein.
And what do they protect Electro Ball? Surely not.
I'm already preparing my GG, guys. Already.
Et en vrai, les gars, je pense que c'est un rôle Electro-Ball, hein, au cas où.
No,
No.
I
I
don't think it's
c'est un
a
rôle.
roll.
Non.
Hey,
I'm gonna
the-
check.
Tu me fais pas ça, Xcal, c'est
Non,
pas un
non,
rôle.
vous inquiétez
Shouldn't be a
pas.
roll.
Non, je rigole.
That's 87, man.
Ça met
Don't say-
85 minimum. 85 minimum.
Yeah.
Non mais t'imagines en fait lui il va switch parce qu'il va penser qu'on va
Was there
U-turn.
like split up Slowbro?
Yeah,
which
guys,
makes no
think
sense.
he will predict that we will U-turn and he will go
No,
into
no.
something and then fuck.
Dude.
Yes.
GG.
Yes.
GG.
He's dead.
Posted.
Ah,
No, oh my. Oh, dude.
No.
c'est pas moi qui l'ai mis.
Dude.
Ah
It's
putain,
me.
je peux pas écrire parce que je suis pas sur mon compte.
It's me.
That's so stupid.
Franchement, ce set, il mérite d'être sur Smogon. Hein. Je sais pas pourquoi il le met pas.
Yeah, it's not on Smogon. We only have Pivot and Bolt up on Smogon right now.
Là, il a perdu. Là, il y a un Urshifu Water qui passe pas Toxa. Il a un Cinderace.
Water, ouais
Ouais, c'est un
Yeah,
Water parce que
Urshifu
c'est
Water,
joué avec Slowbro. C'est pour ça que j'ai ça en fait. C'est pour ça que pour moi, c'est déjà gagné là. Là, on a déjà gagné. Là, il a juste.
Oh my god.
Là, il a.
Yes, we went fucking ghosting to it.
Yes, kurva.
Il faut juste se méfier du crocodile en soi,
Ok.
mais le reste, franchement, tranquille.
Let's focus for now. So they'll probably go. Will they go Crocodile? Yeah, probably.
Yeah,
We
Crocodile is
should.
okay.
Because it's really nothing else that can beat us.
Bro, I'm pretty sure they're like, what the
Or
fuck was
Urshifu, I
this
guess,
set?
Should be Crocodile.
Right now they're thinking because they don't know. Bro, we just beat Crocodile and then Zero is going insane on that team, really. Just void switching everything.
Just have to, we just have to not throw it.
Yeah.
I just have to say that the in with Cinderace on Corviknight was the best move of this game.
Yeah.
And it was mine.
It actually was. Cinderace on Roost was actually beautiful.
Okay.
Crocodile,
Bon, voilà, là ça devient plus compliqué parce que c'est le seul Pokémon qui peut peut-être poser problème.
No,
So do we...
Mais en soi, on a de quoi gérer. On a Ferro.
The problem
We go
is
Mandibuzz this
no,
time? I don't know.
the problem.
Je pense qu'il va vraiment essayer. Je pense qu'il va vraiment.
Yeah,
franchement,
he will say because if he kills Ferrothorn and his Scarf, then he's just with Moxie. He gains his attack and then it's.
Might be Anger Point too, because Anger Point's to get
But guys, if we go
je pense que le play c'est mettre Ferro quand même. Hein.
Yeah, Ferrothorn is the play.
Il
a Stone Edge. Il a Stone Edge.
Guys. If we go Ferrothorn right now and we are at 10%, then he's locked on a move, so we can go tranquilly into Mandibuzz or something. So really, we can go Ferrothorn. I think.
Il will anticipate.
Le problème c'est que Cinderace, vu qu'on connaissait normalement c'est U-turn. Normalement c'est U-turn. Vraiment.
Stone Edge on Mandibuzz only does 40.
Guys,
35.
Just one thing, maybe he don't kill Toxapex with Earthquake. Maybe we can check with Toxapex. If it's Earthquake, we change.
But if he knockoffs our packs, I want to give my. I want to.
Mandibuzz is honestly the safest play because Stone Edge doesn't even do it go at almost 40.
Yeah. Okay, go Mandibuzz.
Mais
Mandibuzz.
Do we really need Mandibuzz?
Je pense pas que notre Ferro soit ultra important dans la team. Hein.
Non, mais pourquoi le Ferro, je veux dire, on peut le garder. C'est pas grave, ça met Mandibuzz, il risque rien quand il a 325 def.
Ouais, mais le problème c'est que imaginons si c'est un bulk up Cinderace, si on rate notre Full Bunker, on peut se faire niquer en fait par rapport à ça. Si la Zen Headbutt, et ben derrière notre Mandibuzz aura pris assez de dégâts pour se faire manger.
Ouais, et Urshifu nos bases après.
Mais après on a vu qu'il avait U-turn dans le replay que je vous ai envoyé, donc du coup il a peut-être pas bulk up. Hein. Il y a peu de chances qu'il ait bulk up.
Yeah.
Ouais, en soi, vas-y, tu peux mettre Mandibuzz. J'espère qu'il a gardé.
Ok,
double to Clef. That's fine, honestly. He's gonna trick. He's gonna trick.
Zero trick. But no, but
why? Aura, probably right.
Yeah, go Zero because he's.
What is?
Ou alors,
I guess
ou alors on met Ferro. Ou alors on met Ferro parce que Ferro, je trouve que ça sert à rien, Ferro.
With Ferro, that's kind of dead weight.
That's the tech.
Guys, Cinderace, he can hand. There is no Slowbro.
We have Scarf Cinderace.
Scarf Cinderace with Firewall is quicker than.
C'est un Urshifu Water, il va venir free dessus.
Voilà.
Il est pas free du tout, il prend des dégâts, gros.
Ouais, mais il va prendre 20%, quoi.
Tu mets Cinderace et puis genre le premier attaque tu fais.
Non, Cinderace, I don't like Cinderace.
Le problème c'est que si elle est rogue, Cinderace il prendra 25% à chaque fois, ça qui est chiant, quoi. Tandis que Zeraora il prendrait que 12%.
Moi j'ai Cinderace et je mets Gungshot, hein.
Le problème qu'il y a Corviknight, gros.
Ouais, mais il va pas in Corviknight sur Cinderace, jamais.
It's tough, dude.
But
if he goes Cinderace, it's pretty sure that he will not go on Corviknight, and he can take damage on his Crocodile. So if we go Cinderace and we go Gunshot, it's pretty sure that we will hit Urshifu. Or kill Clefable, because I don't think he can't know that we have Gunshot, Electro Ball, Fireball. Maybe I think Cinderace, Cinderace and Gunshot. It could be the best.
Yeah, but if we go hard Cinderace on Clefable, we might expect Gunshot just because we go Cinderace on Clefable.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying. And Pure Boy is doing a lot of damage, so he won't risk his Clefable.
Yeah, this is what I'm thinking. Maybe he will think that he can't win.
I guess.
Cinderace on Moonblast to take no damage.
You think this is especially defensive for Fable? Probably
Moi, ce que j'aimais bien, attendez, laissez-moi écouter. Moi, ce que j'aimais bien en fait avec Zeraora Scarf, c'est qu'il permettait en fait de one-shot son propre Scarf avec Close Combat.
Ouais, mais,
Does it,
ouais, mais t'as
I don't
Clef
think
qui
it
t'as Clef qui
goes.
roule derrière, toi, ça va être chaque fois des 50-50. En fait, vraiment, c'est une de Scarf. Ouais, il fait super mal.
Attendez, je reviens, les gars. Mais Electro Ball sur Urshifu, je sais pas si t'as dit ça tout à l'heure, mais ça met 0. Hein.
Non,
Ça
non,
met,
non,
si, ça
non,
met-
non, non,
Ah
non,
non,
pas
j'ai
pour
mal
ça, pas
compris
pour
alors.
ça. Mais je pensais juste mettre Cinderace et vraiment, le Gungshot, il est free, quoi.
Hmm.
Pour moi. Parce que jamais il va venir. Il ne va pas venir avec Corviknight alors que tu une attaque feu. Une attaque feu, une attaque élect, c'est le seul truc qu'on a qui revive.
Le problème, c'est que tu vois, s'il trick le Cinderace, en soi, il suffit qu'il fasse juste softball derrière et il regarde sur qu'on est lock parce que
Mais
le
on
Gungshot,
tue,
il
on tue. Gungshot, ça tue pas
Ben,
Clefable.
je l'ai fait
Oui,
contre toi.
oui,
Je l'ai fait
oui.
contre toi juste avant en match. Et on n'a pas tué. Hein. Je t'ai mis
Ah
70%.
ouais, ah ouais, ok, ben,
Attendez,
ok.
les gars, je reviens 2 secondes.
I'll
Ok.
calc it on Clefable. But it's probably especially offensive Clefable here, no? Because all those other mons are like Fizzdev, I think.
Ah,
Or
ouais.
it could be especially offensive Corviknight, maybe. I don't know, actually. Because you can't calc.
Ok.
I guess you can just calc from replay. Okay, I have to calc from this replay. Where's Clefable here?
Yeah, we have time. We can calc from his replay.
I'm gonna watch the replay and
Bro,
look
and
the hit on
then
Clefable.
imagine them watching the blind.
Oh, Earthquake's Clefable was 33. I think that's Fizzdev then. No, what if Hippowdon? Let's see.
Ouais, mais voilà.
Yes, with that.
Mais-
Hippowdon versus
Moi, je
Hippowdon.
pense vraiment que Zero Rascarf,
No, it's
moi, j'ai une
mixed.
préférence pour lui.
That's mixed defense Clefable and probably mixed defense Corviknight too. Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Because Hippowdon Earthquake did 33, which is like that's more than it'll do to Fizzdev and less than it'll do to Spizdev. So yeah.
Okay, but guys, it's like you.
So we go Ferrothorn.
Cinderace
In my opinion, we don't
versus-
need to really for Ferrothorn. We will just go Ferrothorn on Iron Barbs, where he will just use his multi-hit move for Urshifu.
Longshot might go with Clefable if it's mixed. It's 50% pretty much.
On fait quoi du coup, les gars? J'ai pas-
Yeah, I don't know
Je sais pas.
what we do. I would go to Ferrothorn.
It's.
Yeah,
no,
we could fodder Ferrothorn, I guess, but
Ça
we
tombe
need
bien,
it.
mais il va même pas trick. Hein. Il va juste poser les rocks au calme.
Yeah, if he goes on for
Yeah,
rocks,
he
we
could
pose our
rock
rocks
too,
too.
but he's probably gonna trick, right?
No.
Mais
If he rocks, then he still has a scarf clef, which is kind of.
Mais
mais let's go Zera or Cinderace. Choose.
dans tous les cas,
That's tough. Do we need Sarah to switch?
So I prefer to go
moves?
Zero because Volt Switch Scarf is just blah 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 blah. Thank you very
But it
much.
still has a crocodile. Though.
Yeah, the problem is Crocodile.
j'ai vraiment peur de Crocodile à la fin. Et je voulais. Et je
Yeah,
crois
it's
que c'est
fine.
Trick, okay.
Yeah, okay. So
Voilà.
do we? What if we? Volt switch or CC or knock? We could knock actually too.
Yeah,
Knock.
okay, knock, just knock. You
Nah,
may-
he should stay in, right? He should stay in.
Yeah,
I
he
think we
should
just
stay.
fold.
C'est un 50-50.
Because
Hein.
heavily debates are useless for
Trick,
What-
one
what-
plus Stealth Rock. He will stay, he will
Go
push
Volt
his
Switch.
rocks. He will push
Ouais,
his
je
rocks.
pense que
Yeah,
Volt
Volt
Switch,
Switch.
Go Volt Switch, guys.
Yeah, Volt
Parce que
Switch.
je
Yeah.
pense,
Yeah,
qu'il va rester là en
Okay,
fait.
good.
he will,
Yeah.
he will put his
poser les
rocks.
rocks.
He should
Ghost-
rock here or trick again or something. We should just Cinderace because it's brute. it's fine.
Cinderace, it's.
Cinderace is free, I think, is either gonna Moonblast, Rocks, or Trick.
Yeah, go
Nothing
Cinderace,
matters to
go Cinderace,
I think
yeah.
we just Cinderace. Yeah.
C'est Cinderace,
Okay, good.
il a-
So I think we
Yeah,
can.
en
Hmm.
patron, on réfléchit pas.
But if it goes Crocodile, Gungshot won't do
Vextal,
much.
pourquoi on ne
Ouais.
réfléchit pas? Vextal, pourquoi on ne réfléchit pas?
I think
Non,
Pyro Ball actually makes most sense, no?
Gank.
Fireball? But
No, no,
yeah,
I think because he shouldn't ever stay in with Clefable.
yeah,
That makes no sense.
He
Like,
will never-
Clefable can't do anything to this.
like,
I think just Pyro Ball, no?
go Gungshot. I think he will just pray for us to don't have Gungshot now. He can do nothing.
Yeah, but what will this Clefable do to us anyway?
Yeah, nothing.
Les gars, Gunshot, Urshifu Water va le prendre hyper mal.
He might go Urshifu, yeah.
Yeah, go Gunshots. I prefer to poison.
Yeah,
Crocodile.
okay, just Gunk Shots
Yeah,
probably.
yeah,
makes
yeah.
sense. Yeah, okay, goes Urshifu to hit. Nice, we hit. Okay.
Oh my god,
Good.
58.
Mais
Oh, that was a lot. Nice. Okay,
tu mets Toxa
I think we can just do it again because
à l'avantage.
Aqua Jet or Sucker. Wait, what is it?
Go Pex, go
Uh,
Pex, go Pex, go Pex, Pex, Pex,
Nah,
Pex,
go
Pex,
Pex.
Pex.
Il va U-turn, mais il vaut mieux mettre Toxa. Hein.
Il est scared
Is
en
it-
face là.
Is it Band or Scarf, Urshifu?
Yeah, because
Chose Ben.
il est
Just
Ben.
Can we then just stay in? Like, what is Aqua Jet doing? Let me calculate this real quick. Urshifu,
Dans tous les cas,
Strike, Choice Band versus Cindy. It's poison types. It'll do like half, so yeah. I guess we just look at doc specs and it's fine.
Good talks.
Ouais, donc ça, bah ouais, on gagne.
Yeah, sure.
Oh shit, he predicts.
Oh, actually doubles. What? But it's fine. Like this only does
it's
like.
tough. Let's bet.
I think we'd actually
Go,
skull and then switch.
go ban full bunker.
Like, crocodile.
On peut bunner full en vrai pour
Yeah,
savoir sur quoi
go
il
ban
slot, mais,
full.
non,
We can scout with bunker, right?
Yeah.
le problème c'est qu'on lui dévoile l'attaque, c'est ça le problème.
Guys, he don't kill us with Earthquake, yes? So go skull.
Earthquake only does 54 to 64, so we could honestly just skull too,
Yeah, skull,
and then
yeah,
switch
skull,
to
yeah, skull,
something else.
Ouais, il faut scold en vrai, on tank tout. Hein.
Ouais, Scold, ouais.
On tank tout.
Okay,
hein,
just go Glove, yeah, that makes sense.
He will trick
Would you go
probably.
Cinderace again? 'Cause-
Là, en vrai, les gars, il faut faire attention parce que ce qu'il pourrait faire, là, en vrai, c'est un play qui pourrait être intelligent.
Téléport.
C'est faire trick pour récupérer. Non, c'est faire trick pour récupérer la Black Sludge. Et ainsi, on peut plus vraiment switch safe sur Cinderace.
Ouais.
Donc, moi, je pense qu'il faut mettre Cinderace. Hein, là.
Yeah, go Cinderace.
I think
I like Cinderace.
He's probably gonna predict Cinderace though, right?
Il a pas
Go or shoot or something.
But he's doing nothing to Cinderace, so whatever.
Yeah, but he could like double to Shift or something.
he
We
can
shouldn't, right? We have doc specs in.
Yeah, we have
La-
all this.
Or double to Crocodile, that makes sense too. I think Cinderace is safe, yeah. That's a safe play, I think.
Yeah, go
And
Cinderace. And if
if
he...
he's-
Or we could bunker and scout what he's doing.
No, but he can soft void, and I don't like that. So go Cinderace.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
that's true.
Or
Okay, just Cinderace. is fine,
or
I think.
he can double Crocodile. Or he's soft boil, or he
Can we
he
cover
can-
both him staying in tricking and
He
going
won't go Crocodile
or
because if he's
Shifu?
cold, or we
Oh.
toxic on a
double
switch. Yeah, go
Yeah, I
Cinderace.
think it's just Cinderace. He shouldn't switch
Yeah,
to
he
Crocodile or
shouldn't
Shifu on
switch.
box
He
specs.
shouldn't.
Moi, je pense qu'il va se soigner, perso. Mais bon.
Ouais, I think too.
Yeah,
That he will
so
soft void.
Cinderace is the play then,
Go
yeah?
I
Cinderace.
got Cinderace.
Et même s'il double, au pire, on a encore Mandibus plus Ferro. Donc,
Yeah, go
Yeah, it's
Cinderace.
fine. We go Cinderace, yeah?
Yeah, go Cinderace. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Do we... Wait, do we gunk? Is he going... He's probably not going to Shift again, right? He's probably going Crocodile this time, because he'll expect gunk.
Yeah. We can U-turn.
Or Gorf
We can
90. Nah, that
U-turn.
doesn't make
We
sense.
can.
Yeah, we can just U-turn. That actually makes the most sense, I think. No? Or Pyro Ball.
Well,
Oh,
Pyro
yeah,
Ball
Crocodile.
U-turn.
How much is Pyro Ball doing to Crocodile anyway?
Yeah,
moi,
Pyro
je
Ball.
pense que
Check.
King
What does
Shot,
a
c'est
lot
lui.
is like 70.
Non,
Si.
pas-
S'il met Corviknight, il va se prendre un Pyro Ball derrière, on s'en fout. Hein.
Ouais. Du coup, Gogshot. Hein.
I think he's going
Because-
Crocodile, if anything. I guess U-turn makes sense, because that does a lot, even more to Crocodile, yeah. I guess U-turn makes the most sense, I think.
Okay.
Non, mais je pense que U-turn anticipant le Crocodile, c'est dangereux, quoi. Ça sert.
Yeah. Don't
Je pense
U-turn.
qu'on a l'avantage. Je pense qu'on a l'avantage. En plus, Crocodile va se prendre un gunshot. Il a 30% de chance d'être empoisonné.
Yeah.
Ouais, mais-
Yeah, that's true, we can also gunk.
Go
Il
Gunk.
voulait pas Pyro Ball?
No, because if he goes Corviknight, we are first on Corviknight. You can just Pyro Ball on something. So
Oh, ouais.
whatever.
Juste Pyro Ball.
Yeah.
Just Gunk Shot.
Yeah, I guess Pyro Ball also makes sense. The only bad thing he can do
I
if he Pyro Balls go with Shifu, which he shouldn't do again, right?
Yeah.
Because he should expect gunk shot. or something.
Because he's dying.
yeah, just do Pyro Ball then, or
Gunk Shot. I would say.
I don't. It's so hard. Everything makes sense except Electro Ball.
Maybe he... No, go. Well,
Gunshot, les gars.
Gunk Shot, Gunk Shot, Gunk Shot,
I
Gunk Shot.
guess gunk shot makes sense, right?
Yes!
Okay, good. He goes with Shifu.
Die.
Who do we hit? Yes,
Yes,
nice. Okay,
yes.
that's really good. Phew.
Why? Wait. Why the sprite didn't disappear? Why his sprite didn't disappear?
Yeah, it's a glitch. It's fine. The Shifu's dead. It's just a
Okay.
showdown glitch.
What the fuck? I will
So-
have to fix it.
Mandy
Oh, do we Mandy or Fairthorn's Psych maybe? I don't know.
Ouais,
Or do we Toxapex just like nice.
Mandy
Ouais,
passe, hein.
ouais, moi, personnellement, je trouve que le Ferro, il sert à rien.
Mais I
Yeah,
think
go
maybe
Firo. We don't need Firo, I think.
J'ai vraiment peur du Stone Edge. Ça me
We
fait
don't
chier.
need
Yeah, I
Pharaoh,
don't
but,
like Stone Edge
it could
because if he
I
crits,
think Ferrothorn can be useful if he uses the surging strikes on Urshifu, because that recoil with Iron Box is
Urshifu
really...
is
oh,
dead.
wait,
He's
Urshifu's dead.
He's dead.
This sprite is so annoying.
That's what I was saying.
Okay, timer's on. I think you go Mandy, right?
Mandy
Yeah,
or
I think you
Firo?
go Mandy, I think.
Go Firo, no, go
I
Firo.
guess,
In my opinion.
Firo, he will knock off maybe, no?
Yeah,
Non, mais
yeah. He's probably gonna knock or EQ. I don't know.
yeah, and we can
Makes
always
sense.
full play U-turn on Mandy after.
Oh, I choose.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
nice,
this is
nice,
good.
nice.
Stealth rock.
Do we
Maybe.
leech see
Les
or do we like double or something? Like it's probably
Or
gonna
knock off,
go...
or knock off, or knock off.
Or
No.
over Cinderace.
Guys,
Il va mettre Corviknight, il va mettre Corviknight. Donc, en
go,
soi-
They're
wait,
either
go,
gonna go Corviknight or Cinderace, one of the two.
go Rocks, no?
Ouais, je
Ah,
pense,
non,
I think
Rock-
he actually
non.
might go Cinderace.
je pense que tu peux PDR en vrai. Hein. C'est pas très. c'est pas-
Ouais, mais ça ne sert à rien en fait.
Go body
Ouais, ça
press.
sert à
Go body
rien.
press.
Ouais,
Or Leech
Body,
Seed?
sure.
Or Body Press, yes.
Body press.
Est-ce-
Triple is better if it goes Cinderace, I guess.
Body press, ouais, body press c'est pas dégueu.
Yeah, I like
Ouais,
body
body
press.
C'est pas dégueu. Body press c'est pas dégueu.
Yeah, body press makes sense. Yeah, go
Yes.
Cinderace. That is a lot nice. Okay.
Lights.
Mais là tu mets
So do we
Toxa.
do we,
We go
we could
Pex.
stack or we go Toxapex?
We
I
go
think
Pex.
Toxapex makes sense and just keep this as a stack
Yeah.
for later, right?
Yeah.
De toute façon, on a le full bunker.
Yeah, because if he send headwatts, we can always just bunker for the next one. It's fine.
Oh.
Go Pex. I like Pex.
Yeah,
les
I
gars-
think Pex makes most sense. Or Mandibuzz, but I think Pex
Or we
makes
go
most
Mandibuzz,
sense.
but do we really need Mandibuzz? Yeah, I think for Crocodile, we need him.
We kind of need Mandibuzz for like Crocodile, I guess.
Il faut mettre Pex.
Go Pex, yeah, go Pex.
Yeah, Pex makes
Okay.
most sense. Okay,
Okay,
good.
nice.
Perfect. Okay, we can...
Do we ban full
we can just
bunker?
Scald, right? Or no, he's gonna go Clefable. We should...
Si vous voyez le U-turn arriver.
Do
Yeah,
you?
he should U-turn.
Yeah, you should.
Ce qui veut dire que si.
And then go Clefable. Do you think we go Fairthorn
Mais je pense,
on the U-turn?
je pense que le play c'est Scold en vrai.
Like
Ou
go
alors
Scold, go
Ou alors
Scold.
tu fais.
I like Scold.
I think Fairthorn makes sense, actually.
Je- je-
Oh, pay for bunker on U-turn, actually. Yeah, that's fine, too. Might go hard, Glove, though. I don't know.
je pense qu'il faut Scold.
Yeah, Scold. I like Scold.
Parce que je pense pas
I
qu'il va
think
U-turn.
bunker on U-turn would be best, no?
No, just
Eh,
Scold.
why
Just
Skull?
Scold. Just
Maybe
Scold.
be in full bunker, no?
No.
Yeah, I think bunker
No,
on U-turn
no,
would
no,
be
because
the
if
best,
he's
but I don't know if
as
he'll U-turn.
we live one
Je
Zen
pense qu'il va
headbutt.
Je pense qu'il va le check le bonne full.
Ouais, va
Donc
check.
je pense que
Scold.
Scold, dans tous les cas, Zenetbot, il fait 0 à Zenetbot. Il met
Scold,
50%. il a-
timer, Scold.
Okay, it just goes Glove.
Yeah, okay.
That's
Par contre,
fine, doesn't matter.
Okay.
La prochaine fois,
Do we just
So-
Cinderace? Because it's still free to go Cinderace.
Yeah, go Cinderace. I like
I guess he
Also
might
second
double
Scold,
now.
no? Because
Or, yeah, we could Scald for Crocodile double.
Yes,
maybe.
Cold. I don't see what he can do. But if he
Yeah,
loses
'cause
Black
he's not
Sludge on
getting
Vex,
anything from
I
he
don't.
gets tricked, but it's like
yeah.
whatever.
I don't
right?
like. No, I
No.
don't like to
Cinderace au calme. Hein.
go Cinderace.
I think
go
Scald
Cinderace.
makes sense because
Go-
they'll definitely expect Cinderace.
Go
I think.
Cinderace. I don't like to lose Black Sludge on a trick.
Yeah, but like we've always stayed, we've always went Cinderace and Clef. Surely they should predict it now. I think.
J'ai pas compris les gars.
I think they'll go Crocodile.
Non mais il double, on s'en fout qu'il double, c'est pas grave.
Ouais, we
Au
don't
pire
care.
des cas, on sac Ferro ou un truc
Attends.
du genre.
Yeah, we can sack for.
on Go Scold, like, Go Scold, no?
Yeah, also like Scald is.
Mais-
I think
En
he's
fait,
really
not bad.
les gars, ce qui me fait chier, c'est qu'il fasse trick en fait. S'il fait
Ouais,
trick, en
s'il
fait,
fait
on peut
trick.
plus venir safe avec notre Cinderace.
Yeah.
C'est ça qui me saoule en fait.
Dans...
Je pense qu'il faut aller sur Cinderace, hein,
Go
parce que là en fait,
Cinderace.
il a les Eevee bots, il faut en profiter.
Yeah, okay, we'll just go Cinderace. It's fine.
Yeah, go Cinderace. Go Cinderace. Go Cinderace.
Yeah,
veut dire
don't waste time. Just Cinderace.
Donc Cinderace c'est complètement free.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Cinderace.
we've dropped some time. Maybe like they'll think we expect a double. So they know they- I don't know.
I think they have to take risk. I'm pretty sure that they will double.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same. I'm
Yeah.
thinking also.
But
thinking,
we
they're
don't
like,
care if you
oh
leave-
shit, we have to go Crocodile now. But I don't know.
We can use Pharaoh.
Just click something we
Here
don't want to
go
lose
with
time.
Moxie. We can see if Crocodile is Moxie, and we can Mandibuzz, and then we U-turn on Crocodile, and then we regain momentum, and then Cinderace is just pyroballing everything. So we don't really care. Like 3-4 turns ahead, Cinderace is just sweeping him. So whatever, we can sack Ferroturn and then go
So,
Mandibuzz U-turn.
Cinderace or Scold? Scold or Cinderace?
I'm
Non,
fine
parce
with
que,
either, honestly.
non, parce que si nous trick, ça va être chiant.
Cinderace.
Cinderace c'est mieux.
Voilà.
Okay, what is
Yeah,
this?
this is
Okay,
nice.
perfect, perfect,
Pyro
nice.
ball, pyro ball.
Okay, so we just Pyro Ball, right? Pyro Ball's super
No,
free, right?
gong shot, maybe.
No.
I think Pyro Ball because
Fireball.
Pyro ball,
doesn't
okay.
do much to
Pyro ball,
Crocodile,
okay.
right?
Pyro ball.
Consider is already low, so Pyro Ball, you can't take Pyro Ball.
Yeah.
Moi personnellement, je referais Gungshot personnellement.
Non, ça sert à rien.
Nah, Gungshot's bad if he goes Crocodile, I think.
I said
Si
to
mec Crocodile,
gong
mais voilà, il
shots.
faut les Gunk.
Now we
Gong
expect
shot.
Gunk. I think we Pyro Ball again.
No,
I think we Pyro Ball again.
Ça sert à rien de. Il faut Gungshot. Hein.
gong
No,
shot.
Pyro-
But I think he'll just expect Gunk now since he soul boiled it. So I think he's gonna go Crocodile on this turn.
Yes, go Pyro Ball again.
Okay, Pyro ball
One more
again.
Pyro Ball.
Just one more time, okay.
One more time.
Yeah, we have enough. We still have 6 fireballs. It's fine.
Yeah.
He's definitely gonna switch here, I think.
Le problème, c'est qu'on pourra plus tuer du coup avec Gungshot. Hein. Du coup, parce qu'en fait, on est dans la range du Gungshot là.
Yeah, we're range of Gungshot.
The Gungshot
That's
always
fine.
goes. Gungshot is 98 or something.
Tandis que là, on va lui mettre 50%.
Ok,
il va récupérer-
yes.
He got a score of 9 now. Perfect. Hit.
Ouais, nice.
Yes.
4. We
Oh,
can.
96, but that's fine. Does U-turn kill? I need to calc if U-turn kills.
Je pense pas
Yeah.
qu'il te tue. Hein.
I don't think it kills either. Oh,
It-
yes, it does 5% min. It does 5% min to.
On est
Oh
Electro
no,
Ball.
it's not mech stuff. Shit.
Electro Ball.
On est Electro Ball.
Oh,
J'ai trop peur de miss, moi. J'ai pas envie de miss.
252. Oh, U-turn always kills, I think. Oh, it's fine.
Ah,
Oh, critical hit.
What? Okay, just
donc ça.
Toxa.
Tox, I guess.
On meurt du Gungshot. On est moins def.
Yeah, Gungshot. Go Pex, go Pex, go Pex.
Putain, les gars, on va win
just play
6-0.
safe. We just
On win
just don't throw and we
Okay.
win.
Guys, if we,
Fine.
if, oh shit,
That's
he will just
fine.
roast.
Just Cinderace again, right?
Yeah,
is it
Cinderace.
Nah,
Yes,
Cinderace.
Cinderace.
Là, tu scold.
Not you scold. You scold here, U-turn. I think he will U-turn.
Tu scold, hein, tranquille. Hein. Si tu burn, c'est toujours ça de prix. Hein.
Yeah, okay, we can skull, I guess.
Dans tous les cas,
Why? Yes. Ozerora?
ou alors on double sur Cinderace.
Non, sur Zera.
Non, il va mettre
Zera,
relier.
c'est un 50-50 après.
Parce que si tu mets Zera, il peut mettre que Crocodile.
Mais
Et-
c'est un 50-50.
C'est un 50-50.
Parce qu'on est Scarf, hein, Zerora. On est
Ouais,
Scarf.
Scarf.
Just click something because our timer's
Tandis
going
que
well.
Cinderace, il n'y a aucun 50-50. Il fait juste Pyro Ball. Et il
I
fait...
think we just skulled, right?
Yeah, scold.
Ouais, mais t'as envie
I like
de
scolds.
I just
prendre.
skulled.
Mais why Scold? Why Scold? He will roast. We
And what if he
win.
Brave
we
Bird?
nothing?
I guess Cinderace.
Anyway, c'est le play.
Cinderace also makes sense because
Yeah, go-
even
okay.
if he Brave Birds, he kills himself.
Can go
so-
Cinderace. Yeah, go Cinderace. Okay.
Yeah, Cinderace makes the most sense, I think.
Okay,
Yeah,
nice.
this is good.
Voilà.
Now we
Pyro
can-
Ball. Pyro
Pyro
Ball.
Ball. It's a safe play, yeah.
Pas Pyro Ball. Hein.
Oh my god, we were winning this. We're
Okay, we
6.
still shout that our Pyro Ball PP doesn't deplete before Score Knight is dead, though. But we still have Zeraora and stuff, it's fine.
Yeah.
Well, Pyro Ball costs. Well, he doesn't stay in anyway. Even if he stays in, he's dead. So I was gonna say pressure stalling, but yeah, we just need to kill the Score Knight with Pyro Ball.
Just remember what we said. If we win because of the +1 speed, we could use before.
The hasty Cinderace. Phew.
Ah,
If we miss, that would be horrible.
j'aimerais
With the
mettre la-
pressure.
Je l'avais dit, si on niquait le Slowbro, il peut plus gagner l'Oppo.
Ah.
Son meilleur play, moi si je serais lui, je conseillerais de tenter le
Crook.
Nine.
Perfect hit. Yes. Oh, it's not dead, but it's fine.
Go Pharaoh, go Pharaoh. Okay.
We sack
sac
Pharaoh?
Ferro. Hein.
Sac
Sauf si on
Pharaoh.
veut tenter
If he,
Sauf
Sack Pharaoh.
actually, he's definitely gonna EQ, isn't he? Because he doesn't want to make contact.
Yeah, Sack
I
Pharaoh.
think we will
Then...
Mandy because he's definitely gonna EQ. I think.
No, go Pharaoh. Then we go Mandy and we U-turn
Yeah, okay,
because
just
he's
go Pharaoh, it's
locked.
fine.
tu joues safe, tu mets
Okay,
Ferro.
that's true. We can U-turn for free then. Oh, we can just body press on Roost,
Yeah,
right? How much does it do?
body press. Yeah.
Glitchy.
Leech seed,
Oh,
yeah.
Leech seed,
Leech-
Leech
Non, non,
Leech-
body
Or
press,
body press, body.
pas Roost, body press. J'ai dit de
Body
la merde.
press?
Or we can stealth rock. Oh shit!
Ouais, ouais.
Oh,
Yeah, I can just body press. Okay, this is good. This is good. Just
this
keep
is
body
good.
press.
Body
yeah.
press, body press.
Yeah, just body
Seven.
press. Their timers. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Just keep them low.
Keep him low.
Or they're gonna stall our body press, aren't they? Wait, they're just gonna keep you roosting and stall out body press. I think we'll leech now and then body press again.
Ce qui est marrant, c'est que si nous attaque, là en fait il meurt. Donc on...
Or we could crit him. I don't know, but it's probably not gonna crit in 6 body presses.
Yeah, we
Can
have
we
to
just
crit. We will
leech
crit.
now? In 6 body presses.
En vrai, les gars, attendez une seconde avant d'attaquer. Attendez 2 secondes.
Wait.
Là, s'il nous attaque, son Corviknight meurt. Parce qu'il va prendre les picots plus les dégâts, enfin le 1% de dégâts de recul.
But
Ce qui veut
I
dire
think
qu'en vrai,
we'll just
là, le
stall out body press and then do a roost up again.
Attendez, le seul play pour lui à faire là, c'est Roost. Donc en vrai, on peut retourner sur Cinderace et refaire Pyro Ball.
Yeah, go Cinderace. This is fire. Yeah, go Cinderace. Oh my god.
Voilà.
Now we just
Pyro
fireball.
ball. Pyro
En
ball.
fait, il spammer Roost pour se mettre dans la range qui meurt pas en fait.
But
Et
I
donc,
think their play is just stalling out Pyro Balls with their mons. But yeah, their mons are dying.
Whatever, just Pyro Ball.
Yeah, just
Pyro
Pyro
Ball.
Ball, I think. Yeah, just fucking Pyro Ball.
Ça aurait été bien de poser des-
Okay, good. The Corp Knight's dead. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Go Pharaoh, go Pharaoh, go
Preserve the
Pharaoh,
six-
go Pharaoh, go Pharaoh.
Preserve the 6-0
Les gars,
command the bus.
Attendez,
Preserve the 6-0.
pour le beau jeu,
command
est-ce qu'on essaierait pas le 6-0?
See, I want a 6-0.
I want to see 6-0.
Oh, you want
yeah,
to
but-
6-0?
On met Mandibus, on tente le 6-0.
Yeah, man.
Okay, go Mandibus then, go Mandibus.
He's not gonna sack his Crocodile here with knockoff on Pharaoh. He should EQ.
Stone Edge,
Même
Stone Edge doesn't do-
36!
Yeah, that doesn't do anything. Just U-turn, right?
U-turn.
I think we just
U-turn, just U-turn.
Yeah, yeah, now he's
6-0.
just dead. It's fine. Oh, now we go Zero Aura. and win,
Go
no?
Zero Aura
Or
and
Zero
vote.
Race.
Go Z.
Aura.
Yeah, Zero Aura makes much sense, I think.
GG, we won.
Oh yeah, they forfeited 6-0. Nice.
Oh là là.
Oh, la,
Dude,
la,
we
la,
won
la.
ghosting tour out of this happened, dude. What?
Easy game.
We won ghosting.
Bro,
Everybody
this
said
it was
so,
the
what is
easiest game of my life. Like really, Ruft, you remember the HO that we had to beat
Yeah, last
with
time.
Cloister and shit, where we had to predict each turn like perfectly.
Yeah.
This was the hardest
Remember
match.
The game with Remember the game with Jirachi? You remember when we had to don't be flinch or we lose?
Yeah,
Dude.
dude,
Oh my god.
one.
And now we won the fucking tour. What?
GG.
What
Good
just
game.
happened?
Team Belgium
Mais
What the
en tous les
fuck?
cas,
Team Belgium.
carrying.
dès qu'on a éliminé le solo bro, je savais que
6-0 in the Coasting Tour finals against like 10 SPL players. What the fuck?
I said go Ghost in World Cup. No one wanted. You should have won everything. Really. Oh my god.
Yeah, we'd be in the finals now.
Yeah, we will be
this
in
week.
finals as we speak, really. Next time we're doing it.
But now we're in Coasting Tour finals. Now we win a Coasting Tour in the same week World Cup ends. That's kind of ironic.
Yeah. I will just take the logs of what he said. Team difference. Look at this, they will cry. Oh my god.
Ouais, les gars, GG.
GG, vérité. It was,
En
guys.
vrai, c'est pas le match un peu le plus facile de tous nos matchs qu'on a eu.
Yeah, it was the easiest matchup that we had, I think.
Yes, actually the easiest game was the last one.
Non, mais en vrai, on n'avait pas un si bon match-up que ça. Si on niquait pas le Slowbro,
Yeah,
le
if it-
Urshifu
yeah.
allait faire du sale. Il allait faire du sale, mais franchement, il nous faisait un kill à chaque fois.
Yes.
Donc en soi, moi, je trouve que c'est plutôt pas mal.
Oh, I'm so happy. Ah.
Okay. Can you put the link of the Goldstings tour on Smogon? I don't find it
Okay,
on Smogon. Where is it?
wait. I'm giving to you.
Gracias.
No problemos.
Du coup, il y avait quoi pour les gagnants? Il y avait un trophée ou quoi? Je sais pas.
Non. Rien.
Ah.
Oh,
There's like no reward at
Nothing,
all.
no reward
actually.
at all.
No. They should give us like
only
trophy to put on our
fame,
signature.
only fame.
You just put it on your signature, Team Belgium Coasting Tour winner.
Yeah, really. So guys, let's go. Another next year already. Let's do it one more time.
Yeah, next year World Cup, we're definitely qualifying.
Yeah.
And a bit less pussy.
Pussy. How
Okay,
much
see you guys.
special attack were you on Ace, by the way? I will just put the team, I think. Give the team. I will just put for Ace also, he has the team. Hello?
How much special attack on Ace?
Someone-
I'll
someone-
give him the team.
Yeah,
Yeah,
give the
final version of the team.
Final version.
Yeah, with like the hasty ass race, the best one.
The best team ever. Created by
Give him a team,
Vextal
whatever.
with Roofed.
Have fun.
Best team builders ever.
looks so whack though. 104 speed. It's like so slow.
It's so
DMVs.
I'm so happy. Okay, so thanks guys for playing. See you in a year.
It was fun.
See you next year.
Yeah, it was a pleasure, guys. A pleasure.
Yeah, it was really fun.
Ciao. See you later next year.
Ciao, les gars.
Yeah.
Ciao, ciao.